How's it going, everybody? My name is Jimson, and I'm going to quickly show you how to plug in PlayStation 4 control with your PC. Now, if you've checked out any videos online, they might be saying, just plug it in and it'll work. Well, I want it wirelessly, right? And that was the issue with it. I could plug it in, and for the most part, even though the light wasn't on, it worked. All right, so you can plug it in, and it's kind of annoying having the wire around. I don't want to do that. What you need to do, first and foremost, is get your dongle. You can check it out on Amazon. They look kind of weird. All it is, it's essentially just this little piece for Wi-Fi connectivity. That's all it is. It looks really tiny. You'll plug it into your computer. It'll light up real quick. Now you can pick these up for like 15 bucks. You could pick it up even cheaper, maybe $4 bucks. I bought two for like $6 bucks. Don't ask me why I needed two. You also want to plug in your PlayStation control. Make sure your PlayStation's off wherever it is. Unplugged, completely unplugged. So this does not try to register with the PlayStation just for a moment, so then it'll read something different. You do that, sometimes the light will turn on, sometimes it won't. I don't know, it's weird. Unplug it. We don't need that anymore because we don't want to do wired. Next, what you're gonna do is sync it up to the computer with the wireless. Now it doesn't, sometimes this works, and this is gonna be your last step. For the rest of you, keep watching. All right, so you're gonna go to your PC. How do you get here? Just go to Windows, go to settings real quick. It'll bring up the home settings usually. Go to devices, Bluetooth, go right here, add Bluetooth device. Now this says Xbox control, everything else. Sometimes that works. Sometimes you have to just try Bluetooth here. Try one of them. You turn it on, it's gonna start locating. Next, press the PlayStation button and the share button. Press and hold both of them at the same time. If you did it correctly, it'll start blinking after like 2-3 seconds. See mine? Mine's blinking. The lighting's a little weird, but you can see it blinking. All right, so now I found a control. It's gonna start connecting. You click it, it's gonna connect. It's gonna say setting up devices on the bottom right of the screen, like right there. That doesn't mean it's done. It says it's done, but it's not. It's gonna do a second time. You'll hear a second audio cue. Once it does the second time, then it's fully connected, even if it says connected here. Next thing, if it works from there, you could test it with the game. I have Dead by Daylight here. I could just open it up and test it out. If it doesn't, now this was the problem. It did not work for me. So the next fix is go on the internet real quick. We'll open up our internet again. What you want to do is Google DS4. You can find it at the first one, J2 Kings here. Sometimes it's through the PlayStation Store. I'm just gonna go with this first one. It's a program essentially to help you connect with your computer wirelessly. All right, so you download it. Download one of the versions. DS4 Windows zip. You'll unzip it if you have WinRAR or anything like that. Depending on where you put it, now you're gonna locate where that file is real quick. I have it set up here. I installed it. I'm not gonna uninstall it real quick. Open it. You're gonna update it. Have the latest and newest version. Then you're gonna open up Windows. Once you open that bad boy up, so you're gonna pop it up, open it up. It's gonna look something like this, except yours is gonna be blank. You can erase it. You have profiles. You can make a new profile. So we're gonna make a new profile real quick. Let's write test profile real quick. Profile save. But to have it fully connected, because you can see the light's not on, we're gonna have to go down to the widget here to the bottom right and press start. It'll start trying to connect. And if it doesn't connect right away, don't fret. Press your power button to turn it back on. And what do we have now? We have yellow. We can click test heavy, rumble. You'll probably hear it. Test light, there we go. It's connected. And for further test real quick, we'll just jump into a game. The lighting's on. You're gonna obviously have to press the power button every time you want to reconnect it. You don't have to go into those settings at all. They will be popped up on the bottom right of your screen. Down here, you'll have it, that little DS4 controller there. It'll tell you the battery life as well. We'll go into the game real quick. You don't even have to get into a game. You'll see the little bar moving as we move it. It has A for some reason. Steam picks up only Xbox controls usually. Xbox control, if you have any concerns or anything like that, maybe we can make another video of that if you guys really want. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If anything else went wrong or you need some help, let me know. I will try to assist you guys. Bye-bye.